Okay, guys, so I think I have to apologize. This is, I don't know if Raed can speak now or,
Yes, now I
yeah,
can.
the next time, Raed, if this problem happens to you, please go out and come back again
Okay.
because I don't mute any of my students. What are you going to do tomorrow, Raed?
Tomorrow uh, I'm going to school.
Amazing. I'm going to my school. That's amazing. Okay. So this is it, guys. This is about the future. Be careful about using the future because going to and the present continuous in some way if you are sure about the action. So these are the examples that we have. Are you going to watch TV? So yes, I am if you want to answer yes. No, I'm not if you want to answer no. So we are both going to have coffee. I'm going to cook, but Anna isn't. Why? Because she is going to have a pizza. So if you want to talk about now, you can use going to. But if you want to mention the future, yes, you can use going to, but it will be a plan. So please keep it in your mind again, because uh, this is really important. Ghadi is coming. Okay. Now let's try to revise this grammar spot. So absolutely, guys, going to, we have the verb to be plus. Going to mention the plan's future. Let's complete the chart with using the best verb to be. Now I going to cook tonight.
I am
Oh,
or
bravo.
am.
Absolutely. Or I am going to cook tonight. He or she,
Is
Is,
going.
oh,
is,
bravo, is
Is.
going to cook
are,
tonight.
Are.
Exactly.
are.
They, any plural, you have to use are going
Yeah.
to. Exactly. And absolutely, if you want to ask a question, you have to start with the auxiliary. Is she going to cook tonight? Is he going to watch the match tonight? Are they coming tonight? So, absolutely, I have to start with the auxiliary if I'm asking a question.
teacher طب انا عندي سؤال
Mm,
مثلا قبل شويه بس قلت لنا اعطونا اكزامبل على كيف بدنا نستعمل will مثلا فيني انا اقول I will going
I
to
will
visit
what?
مثلا فيني اقول انا I will
Mm,
going to visit my friend.
wrong. اوكي. اول شيء غادي بدي نبهك على شيء كثير مهم. دائما بعد الويل وبعد التو بدي استخدم فيرب زيرو. All the
تعرف
time.
شو؟
Verb zero.
اوكي
I will
Okay.
go.
Yeah, I will go, I will sleep, I'm going to drink, I'm going to run. Don't use any additional with the verb after to and after modal verb.
اوكي
Okay? Please, this is
اوكي
really important. This is a horrible grammatical mistake. Okay. Now let's use going to only if the action is going to happen right now, only right now. This is it. So the action is going to happen right now. You can use going to. But if it is in the future, it will be a plan. So please keep it in your mind. Now we have these verbs in this box, and we have to use going to plus these verbs to express the pictures. Notice number one. Number one is saying it is going to rain. So this is it. We can notice that here the rain is crossed. I used it with going to. Now two, what do you think?
I'm going to drop my job.
I'm
No,
going,
I think I have another answer.
which is,
Uh, I'm going be late
I'm going
to my
what?
job. Be late.
Where is to, Jamila?
A bad one.
Going to all the time together.
To be late.
Aha, I'm going to be late. Yeah, I think now it's logical. If I'm talking about him, I can say he is going to. If I'm talking about myself, I have to say I am going to be late. طبعا guys ما ننسى انه going to all the time together. Going to and be late. 3. What do you think?
She's
going to win.
Bravo. She is going to win
Is going
now.
to win.
Exactly. So this is it. Now the next picture. We have picture number 4.
he is going to fall.
He is going to fall.
He is
Yes.
going to fall down. Exactly. This is it. Now 5.
It is going to drop.
Sneeze.
She is
She is going to sneeze.
she is going to 5 sneeze. Are you sure?
Drop.
Oh.
Drop.
He is going to drop the jar.
Yes.
To drop the vase. Guys, vase is مزهرية in Arabic. Vase.
Teacher, what is meaning of drop and
Drop
sneeze?
يسقط. Drop يسقط.
وسneeze.
Sneeze يعطس.
Okay.
يعطس أكيد. أوكي.
Okay.
شو معنى يسعد؟
Cough.
كاف. برافو. كاف يسعد. Sneeze
You
يعطس.
can make a pause.
This is it. COUGH. I'm coughing.
Okay, thank you.
Cough. So thank you so much. She is going to drop the vase. طبعا guys vase بالامريكان accent بينما British vase. Please, this is really important. Okay, 6. They
They going
They
Are going to have a baby.
bravo.
Yes.
They are going to have a
to
baby.
have a
It's
baby.
amazing. Exactly. Now picture number 7.
They are going to
They
Hey.
They
going
are
to
going to kiss.
Exactly. They are going to kiss each other. Finally, 8.
he
He is
is
going to
He's
sneeze.
going to sneeze.
He is going to sneeze. So notice that going to is in certain places, I can use it about now. Or I can use the present continuous, absolutely. But
Okay.
we have a recording, maybe we have a mistake. It is 11.4.
No, anything is wrong. Is correct.
We will check this out. Maybe you have a mistake.
Tape script 11.4. Careful, you're going to drop it. 1,
What a pity. It's going to rain.
It is
He can't play tennis.
2,
Look at the time. He's going to be late for his meeting.
amazing. So he is going to be late for that.
For his meeting.
Yes. Now number 3.
3,
Come on! Come on! She's going to win! Fantastic!
So correct. 3.
4,
Oh no! Jack's on top of the wall. He's going to fall.
So he's going to
5.
fall down.
Careful! She's going to drop the vase. Too late.
6,
They're so excited. They're going to have a baby. It's due in July.
7,
There's my sister and her boyfriend. Ugh, they're going to kiss.
8,
He's going to sneeze. Bless you.
So this is it. God bless you. So this is going to, you can use it if you want to talk about any action. This action is going to happen right now. And you can use the present continuous, absolutely. Now, the exercise about a check in. Absolutely, this exercise is talking about choosing the correct sentence. So we have to take correct to the sentence that is correct. 1. He's going to watch the football. He's going to watch the football.
He's going to
He's
watch
going to watch the football.
Exactly. He is going to watch the football. I cannot say is and go to main verbs. This is wrong. Okay. 2. We going to the cinema tonight.
We are going.
We're going.
We're
we have to
going
use the
visit.
auxiliary. Don't use going
Yes.
without
Yeah.
auxiliary. Okay. 3.
She
She
isn't
isn't
She
going.
isn't going.
He's
Isn't.
going
Isn't
to
going
cook.
to.
Oh, bravo. I cannot say she is no or she no going to cook. 4. Is going to rain. Is it
Is it going to
Is
rain?
it going to rain?
subject? Is it going to
Yes.
rain? 4 is correct. 5. When are they going to get married? When they going to get married?
When are
When
they?
are
Bravo,
they
bravo.
they going
The
to get married?
auxiliary should be mentioned. Finally, I'm going to the club. I'm going to the pub. Sorry.
I'm going to
To
the
the
pub.
pub.
To the pub.
Oh, bravo. I'm going to the pub. I cannot say going without to. Like Jamila when she committed this mistake. Okay, guys?
شو teacher سألت؟
When you said going without to. Do you
أنا قلت
remember?
لك مع to. I'm going to the
Okay. I'm sorry. Yes.
ما بقى
Are you okay, guys? Someone said teacher.
no anyone.
Okay. So this is it, guys, about going to. You can use it to mention the present time, which I can use absolutely the present continuous, and you can use the going to mention the future. But if it is the future, absolutely, it is just a plan. Okay. Now, all these exercises, I don't find something important in them. So I think that we have to discuss a new page, which is reading. Then we have is speaking. Okay. So guys, we still have some minutes. I'm going to ask some of you to read. We have a text. This text is about singing. So we have to read the text and singing for the supper. Do you know the meaning of supper? Who knows?
It's a meal after dinner.
Bravo. And what is the meaning of super?
Super, it's best.
Bravo. So guys, super is only one P, and I have to pronounce it as super. And this is supper with double P. This is something strong, but this is a meal. Okay?
بالعربي شو يعني teacher؟
supper العشاء.
Okay.
super is خارق.
Okay.
إذا بتلاحظوا جايز لوحة دافنشي اسمها العشاء الأخير للجيسوس كرايست للسيد المسيح، اسمها The Last Supper اللي هي العشاء الأخير. So supper العشاء. Okay guys? Absolutely we have to read the text. I know that we don't have too much time, but at least I want to ask some of you, or maybe at least one of you, to read, and we have to complete reading and solving the questions the next class. Let me start with Tagreed. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so please now, Tagreed, I need you to start reading the first paragraph, which is about singing for the supper.
And it's a sunny Saturday.
Please, yes.
It's a sunny Saturday afternoon in the small market town of Petersfield. 3 young men arrive in the high street with backpacks and walking sticks. They are wearing green and brown jackets, hats, and boots. Is it Robin Hood with his merry men? Passers-by are interested. Who are these young people? What are they going to do? One of the young men puts his hat down on the pavement and puts up a sign. We're walking towards singing for our supper. And they start singing. People stop to listen and smile. They are singing in perfect harmony. Not pop songs, but traditional folk songs. The hat is soon full, and the people of Peter's field look and feel happier.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Tagreed. You are a good reader. But how can I say that? Peter what?
Field?
It's field.
Field.
Felt, this is felt. Felt is the past of feel. Felt. I felt bad yesterday. But this is Peter's field.
Field, yes.
Amazing. And can you read this one, please?
They are wearing.
يا ترى مكتوبة هي they are wearing.
They're wearing.
برافو. أكيد لما تكون مكتوبة بالابريفيشن بدي ألفظ مثل ما هي مكتوبة.
Yes.
So it is they're wearing. And this one is.
They are singing.
Bravo. So this is they are singing. This is they are wearing a green and brown jackets. Thank you so much, Akan Tagreed. You have a good reading skill. Okay. I think, guys, we have to stop here because I have a class at 9. Don't forget the homework, please. Again, the homework is to write a paragraph, at least 10 lines, maximum 10 lines. You have to compare and contrast two members of your family. Absolutely, you have to use the expressions and the vocab that are existed in the page that I mentioned. When you finish writing the homework, please take a picture. If you take a clear picture, because we have to check it in the class, and send it private. Don't send anything in the group.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I have to thank you so much, and I have to wish a good night for you.
Good night,
Bye
teacher.
bye.